In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this mesh shape by using Blender's Bevel profile. Let's create a curve point. If you don't have that, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. I'll press the 3D button, and type E to extrude. I'll create a ground mesh. We all know how to bevel a curve object like this one. Bevel profile is used to change the overall shape of the bevel. We can scale the bevel depth the same way, but interestingly we can use the graph below to control the shape of the bevel. Let's go back to the round bevel mode. As usual, we can select individual curve points and press Alt with S together to scale the size of the associated bevel parts. The bevel profile feature allows us to change the shape of the bevel easily like this. I'm using a simple curve as an example, but this feature can create a very interesting looking curve-based meshes. There are also built-in presets. We can then convert the curve to mesh, work on the materials, the environment light, and render the scene. All compress time. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.